Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are going to learn about the yacht. Do you know, kids, what is yacht? Yacht and ferries sail with ease because Allah shows. Waves can be strong, but Allah keeps ships safe. Yacht take us journey a blessing from Allah. Do you know, kids, what is the importance of yacht? Yacht float on the top because Allah said be. Even heavy ships do not sink. It is Allah's wisdom. Every drop of water is in Allah's control. Without Allah's help, no ship can move. Fishermen go to the sea and return safely by Allah's care. Whales, dolphins, and fish live in Allah's sea. Dear kids, every moment of life, truly, Allah is Al-Qadir.
Al-Kabir Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabir Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.